So you can see it's night and it's dark around me, the sky. We ran into a little mishap. Hoverfly gave us a small and large bolt, which is sometimes usual because their prices are cheaper than like 70% than other stores. So my dad went to Lowe's and he got this other bolt right here. It's cheaper and easier to just go to Lowe's because the bolts are $1 about. Because if you just have to deassemble this whole thing and bring it to Harbor Freight just for one bolt, that's like super time consuming. So what happens if you bring back the new one and the same thing happens? Even more time consuming. After you install the post, you're going to put down the bolt on here, and you're going to need an assistant for this. You're going to need her or him to keep the post up, and while you do, you get this, which is called a bracket. And by the way, everything has to be loose so that they can be aligned perfectly. And by the way, this is a bracket, a support bracket. So you're going to attach this bracket to this and then tighten it with a knot. And then you're going to put it up, and your assistant is going to align the hole so that this bolt can come through. And then after that, you're going to put the washer and the nut through. It's kind of a long process, but I'm sure you can figure it out. If you can't figure that out, then you have no business putting out an engine or putting it in. So, the reason that it has to be loose is so that the holes will align so that they can fit this through. So you're going to get the boom right here, and you're going to take out this black part. Set it aside for later. Then after that, you'll install the actual boom. Then you're going to put your screw through with your assistant holding it, the boom. And then you're going to put the washer and the nut. After that, you're going to get this 8-ton hydraulic jack, and you're going to put it right here with the sign facing left. But I'm not going to do this. My dad's gonna, because it's too heavy. When you install your hydraulic jack and you lower the boom and it doesn't reach it, you can use this lever basically to loosen up the hydraulic valve, and then you're going to use a screwdriver and put it right through this to lift it up.